Now I want us to go through something, a series of questions, and I want you to answer in your mind. As I mentioned, that true happiness and joy really come from not receiving a lot of things, endlessly seeking to gain something, but it's about uncovering ourselves and find the worth, self-value. So now let's say that this is a letting go process. Let's say that you're now letting go of all this success that you had, accomplishment you had. Just let's say that that's all gone. What you achieved. Are you less of a person when you do that? Let's say that the house or the car or the stuff that you bought, those are all gone. And look at yourself. Are you less of a person? You are less valuable person or less worthy if you let that all go. And let's say that you're living with your family or people around you, and then some reason they are all gone. The time comes and then they're all gone. Are you less of a person? Are you not worthy? Or it could be that there is a breakup or separated or separation. Are you really, truly less of a person? Is that true? If you don't have this or that, if you're not holding this or that, if you're not holding someone, something, if you let go, you are nothing, you don't have a value. Is it true? Now, even if you say that maybe arm is missing or legs are missing, let's just say, okay? Are you less of a person or less worthy? Let's say whole body is gone. Are you less worthy? Okay, so now I want you to bring your one hand to your heart and one hand to your abdomen. And now you are looking at yourself, not holding on to anything. Your success, your achievement, what you got, what you gained in your life, all of that. And even people around you, what you really love, who you really love and hold on to, all gone. Even body parts, gone. Are you less valuable person or existence? Or there is something inside of you, that being inside of you, that is lasting, eternal, that being that keeps talking to you throughout your life, that being that who you are truly. And now you can bring back everything. Okay, your body and the people around you and the things around you. And I want you to actually, if you are with other people around you, I want you to open up your eyes. And then if you are sitting next to your loved one, I want you to open your eyes and look at that person now. Look into each other's eyes. If you're not around people, you go to in front of the mirror and look at yourself and look into your eyes. There's that feeling existing inside of you. With this, we can truly, truly be appreciating life, appreciating who you're with, appreciating who you are, the person you're looking at. That is that value existing inside of you. That is that worthiness. You don't need to hold on to something or get something or keep something, attain something to feel that love or to feel that existence inside of you. It is from uncovering yourself that you can be in touch. It is the process of purifying, uncovering yourself and letting go that we realize the value of yourself. Yeah. Okay, so now let's return to where you are and close your eyes again and breathing in and smiling, breathing out. One more time, breathing in and big smile, breathing out. And one last time, breathing in deeply and bigger smile to yourself and